Yes, he did. She actually has 5 points. Pushed up. It has to be the third try. Down the middle we go.
Off the green line. Tots was the one who was able to get the first ball. Pero pinaikot pa rin sa middle. And getting...
Tatlo ang lamang ng Zeus dito sa fourth. Reached for by the Guzman. Corner! Sini Arroyo has 18
Flo
points.
Montañedo, team captain, serving.
Plus serves, overpass, regalo. It's not open. It is denied, reset, recalibrated, reloaded, into the hole!
Same
Down the
target.
line.
And actually, yung set ni Mondoñedo sa middle, hindi mababa. Talagang pinapatalo niya yung middle attackers niya for higher reach.
Aha! Kinukuha sa tiyaga ni Sibalios. Kinukuha ng tiyaga sa back row. Huli ka! Saan ka pupunta?
Naiiba yung direction and yung speed ng bola.
Baka makakuha sa suntukan, tinuntok na lang.